When you're considering SecureVPN, there are some important things you need to know before committing. Compared to other VPN providers, SecureVPN offers a unique set of features, but is it the right choice for you? Stick around as we break down 12 things you should consider before buying. First off, SecureVPN is known for its simplicity. Unlike some other VPNs that can overwhelm you with complex settings, SecureVPN is designed for ease of use. Whether you're a tech novice or an experienced user, the interface is straightforward, making it easy to set up and use right away. Next thing to consider is the security features. SecureVPN offers strong encryption, which is crucial for protecting your privacy online. However, it doesn't offer some of the advanced security features seen in competitors, like multi-hop connections or split tunneling. So, if top-tier security is your priority, you might want to weigh other options that offer more granular control. The third thing you should know is the speed. SecureVPN claims to provide fast speeds, but when compared to some premium VPNs, it falls slightly behind. For casual browsing and streaming, it should do the job, but if you're a heavy user or gamer, there are other services that provide faster connections with more stable performance. The fourth thing to note is the server locations. SecureVPN has servers in over 50 countries, which is great for bypassing geo-blocked content. But if you're looking for even more global coverage, other services may offer a larger network, giving you more options for accessing content from around the world. Next up, SecureVPN supports a wide range of devices, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. However, it doesn't support some smart devices like gaming consoles or routers, which other VPNs might support. So, if you're looking to secure your entire home network, this could be a limitation. Now let's talk about pricing. SecureVPN is competitively priced, especially for long-term plans. However, if you're only looking for a short-term option, you may find that other providers offer more flexible pricing structures. It's also worth noting that SecureVPN doesn't always provide a free trial, while other VPNs offer money-back guarantees or trial periods. The seventh thing is that SecureVPN doesn't keep logs. This is an important feature for privacy-conscious users as it ensures your online activity isn't stored or tracked. But keep in mind, some competitors have a stronger track record for transparency regarding their no-logs policies. The eighth thing to keep in mind is customer support. SecureVPN provides 24/7 live chat support, which is great for getting help quickly. However, while their support team is generally responsive, some competitors offer more detailed help articles and a broader community presence, which can be helpful when troubleshooting. The ninth thing is the app's user experience. SecureVPN has a clean and simple interface, but it's not as feature-rich as some of the top-tier VPNs. If you enjoy having advanced settings and customization options, you might find SecureVPN to be a bit limited in comparison. Next, while SecureVPN offers decent speeds, some users report that connection reliability can vary, especially on more distant servers. If you're looking for consistent performance, especially for streaming or torrenting, you might want to consider other options that offer more reliable connections. The 11th thing is their refund policy. SecureVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is standard, but some of its competitors offer more lenient return policies or longer trial periods. It's worth considering if you need extra time to test out the service before fully committing. Finally, SecureVPN works with popular streaming services like Netflix and Hulu. However, its performance can sometimes be inconsistent depending on the server you're connected to. Some other VPNs, especially those with larger server networks, have better success at consistently unblocking content. To sum it up, SecureVPN is a solid VPN that covers most of the basics for privacy and security. If you're looking for a user-friendly, affordable option, it's a good choice. But if you want something with more advanced features and reliability, we recommend checking out our top pick for VPN services that you can try for free.